Welcome back to Daytime Live, and it's time to play. It's time to play. So we're gonna play Guess the Song. So here's how we play. We each get to choose a song from this wonderful device here. Okay, from here.
Guess the song.
Yes, from this. So the device. We then have to hum the song for the other person to guess what song it is. No words, just humming. So
Yikes.
me, little Nisha Yen Jones, I go up against a big artist. Big artist. And me I go home.
Don't try that. Hey, people.
Listen, no.
Don't play that card.
No,
Nisha, I do theater for how much years? Don't go and send an underdog over here.
Listen. First of all, I put it back. I take it out and I look and I'm going to put it back.
Poor me, don't know nothing about music. I just a try a thing.
Ready?
Yeah, man. That's for reason. Yeah, man.
I don't know it.
Hum. Yeah, man. Oh, dancehall queen.
Yes.
Yeah. If I get it from Cold Girl, I'm not stop so. That's what you do.
It wasn't the song, but that's what I hummed.
Oh, it wasn't the song. Oh, it's a different thing.
See, guys, this is what it is. Don't look. It's on me.
Oh, she just cheap.
I did. We don't know
She
this
just
song?
hummed something.
Yeah, we don't know this. Okay, so hum my music.
Oh.
You know it?
No.
Oh, I do know that. I will do anything just for you. Circle the shoulders. I mean, what?
It's too late.
Yeah. All right.
But
I
we
got
get
it. I got it. I got it. Whatever I hummed, we got.
Let's see what I got now.
Just saying.
You now get this.
Oh Lord.
Oh, it's the home, right?
I feel like I hear the rhythm. You feel like you hear it? Keep going. Keep breathing.
All right, we'll go back to the chorus now.
No champagne, no powder. I'm said no retreat, no surrender. When I no champagne, no powder.
I live to fight by you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
That was good. Now I'm proud of you. I'm not lie.
We're proud of you
Me
too.
feel like you're the winning.
Give me the win for
But
that.
never
Never done the
expect it.
game. Yes,
you
sir.
you have little Jamaican in your soul, man.
I'm so in the red, yes, I know. No, you have to stir it a little bit, you know. You know when you shake the cup, you know when you have the cup, a juice, and you have to circle it. You have to circle the juice. You know what I'm saying? Because it's sickle. The sediments sickle like a buckle. Sickle. You have to just, hey. So I just
I can't believe it. I'm proud of
stir. I'm so sorry. Back
you. Well done.
Oh, it's me.
Your
again.
time. That was a good song, no, but I love
That was a
song.
really good song.
Terror Fabulous, big up
Me
yourself.
nah lower shot. No retreat. Me tell you something. Walk away like bad girl, you know. No retreat. No, sorry. Poor little me. Poor little me could even mash hands. Oh.
Oh. To get by.
I need to get by.
Cool. Sure, I'm
Yeah,
there
nice.
for you anytime you need me.
Hey,
For real, girl,
hey.
it's me in your world.
Hey,
Believe
me.
me, not to make
Hey,
a man feel
hey,
better than a
hey,
woman. Yeah. Big tune. Big tune. Old school style.
Listen, we in
my
it,
turn.
Yeah. Listen, look at us.
All right.
I feel like when I give you the props at home for the humming skills. Skills, things I keep. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, wicked, you know.
What
I
we
know,
do?
so from the cities, I know so you do this. I'm going to know the song, you know, but I cannot remember it now.
Oh, you want me hum it?
Yeah, you hum it and me guess it.
Yeah. Oh.
All right. Mamma Mia. ABBA.
Oh, no!
I got it. All right, so maybe pick again then.
Yes. That was so hard. I'm hot. Okay.
Gosh. Oh.
You like that one here, though? Within, now that we found love, what are we gonna do? Within.
Heavily version. 1, 2, tell me what you got. Let me flip my quarter side to side. Hit the jackpot. Rev me up, my little buttercup.
Hey, wine it, dine it.
Yeah, wine your body. Baby, move your body. Yeah.
We can get somebody.
Bad. Your time.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah.
I like when you sing, and I guess, actually. I feel like there's more chance of success on my part.
It depends.
Oh, listen.
Oh, boy.
I've got one with the throat.
Oh, no.
I'm going to sing the party, see if you know the party. Ready?
Oh, no.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
It's
no.
high, though. It's high.
No.
Okay. It's high.
A beer
Let me
theater
go low.
business you deal with, you know.
It never go low, because it's high.
Oh, so many must have crossed. Yeah.
Think I'm going to say it high. I'm like...
I seem to find. Yeah.
You got it at home?
Big tune.
Oh, look at us.
Big tune that. Oh.
Anybody? And the chorus that? Give me one word. Give the first word.
Verse.
I don't know what you're singing, sir.
Baby, I'm yours if you want me, and if you want my sweet love, yours.
So all of us are looking at him.
If
Clive, you know it? See? I'm like...
loving you forever.
That is no better.
Baby, I'm yours, Shine.
We don't know it.
A bitch.
We don't know it.
Beat you.
We finished. We're out of time.
We're out of time, and it looks like I've won again.
No, mine's better.
All right, go on. Can't touch this.
Hey,
Can't touch this.
guys, yes.
And that's referring to me.
That's right. But I won
Reigning
though.
champion,
I
can't
won
touch
though.
this.
I won though.
Right.
I think it was
Sure
like
you
a
did.
tie at best.
I think so.
He didn't know Mamma Mia. I gave that to him. It was a tie.
Yeah,
Whatever.
I did not
Thank
know.
you.
I
So
really
you never
did
know one.
not
I knew
know
all of them
Mamma
except for
Mia.
the last one. So it's a tie.
But we still win. Thank you everybody for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and what will I come back with?
Nah, come back, none, sir.
Mix. Stay safe,
come
and
back.
please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. You understand? And don't take losing so hard. You live to fight another day. On that note, let's come on.